Hello everyone, it's Charlotte here, and today I'm going to be walking around our Burstner B66 644. We've been very excited for the arrival of this one. They're proving to be a very popular vehicle for 2026, so let's get straight into it. So some of the key features about this one is it's a 4-berth, it's 6.99 metres in length. It comes in at 3,650, although they can be downrated to 3.5 tonne if need be. So talking through some features from the outside, we have an 100-watt solar panel on the roof, as well as your lithium leisure battery. So we are kitted out for off-grid. You've got your full omnistrator awning in the black casing, and then you've got your Fiat Ducato two-tone alloys. Absolutely stunning, beautiful vehicle from the outside. You've got the metallic grey paint, and then the stunning gold decals along the side, which are new to 2026 to this range. So it does stand out on the road. So we have a TV point here. We've got an external barbecue point, and then this is our garage. So as you can see, we have plenty of storage there. You've access to the garage from both sides of the vehicle, and then you've got your reverse camera at the back. So around at this side we have an external shower point. Your gas bottles are kept in there, so you can fit 2 large bottles, and your toilet cassette is at the front because your toilet's situated towards the front of the vehicle in this one. So taking a seat into the driver's seat, we've got an electric park brake up here. You've got your cruise control with your speed limiter and your hands-free alongside a leather steering wheel. You've also got your automatic lights, so you have a lot of features to make for a seamless and easy driving experience, which is always handy if you're going on long trips. So as well as that, you've got your automatic drive, you've got your lane departure warning, traction plus, and your hill descent. This is our Pioneer infotainment system, so it's all fully touchscreen. Your reverse camera's housed in there. You've got your Apple CarPlay with your Android Auto and your DAB. So it is pretty unique in the sense that the toilet is up at the front. You still do benefit from a separate shower and toilet. Your shower's just over there. This door does partition off your washroom to the living area. And then over at this side is obviously your bathroom and your little vanity mirror. So this is our main living quarters, and as you can see, it does have such an open and spacious feel in here with the way this vehicle is laid out. So your kitchen is here, as you can see. You've got your 3-ring gas burner there with a combined oven and grill. All these cupboards for your storage. And then just beside here, you've got actually 2 full-size wardrobes. Just behind me then is our fridge. So look at the size of that. It's definitely on the bigger side. And then that's your freezer box. Well, this has to be a strong selling point for myself because they've really figured out how to place lots of bottles of wine with your wine rack. And then if that wasn't enough there, you've also got some additional down here, and it just really adds, it speaks for itself. You've got the ambient lighting, and it is just such a striking finish from the inside. Here is our TV bracket. So that's on a swivel bracket if you want to put a TV there. I suppose it just really depends where you're watching the TV from. And then of course we have the rear lounge. So you do have 4 seat belts just where those headrests are. You just adjust the cushions to get your seated position, and then you have your table. So that table will collapse down. With it being a 4-berth, this lounge area will make up into a double bed, or alternatively you have your electric drop down bed here. Another thing to note while we're at this part of the vehicle is you have this additional bit of storage in the floor, as you can see. And then our control panels are just behind me above the wine rack. So this is your main control panel. It's very simple to use. Sometimes simplicity is key, but this is where you monitor your water levels, your battery levels, activate your water pump, and then this is your control panel for your water and your heating. So it runs off your Truma. So this is our electric drop down bed over the lounge. Now the standout feature about this is the fact that you can sleep longitudinally as well as the other way. Because as you can see there, your mattress at the back, whenever this bed drops down, for example, this is just a wee button here. So whenever you drop that down the full way, you'll have the option to sleep longitudinally, because I know a lot of people don't like to sleep transverse. So that is a really strong feature of this vehicle. Your garage is just underneath the mattress, as you saw in a previous clip. And then you've actually got 2 additional storage compartments at either side of the bed. So that was a walk through our Burstner B66 644. These are flying out of the yard like hotcakes. So if they are something you're interested in, stock's limited. Check them out on our website. And if you have any further queries, give us a call on 028 9269 3999.